Hello students, today we will discuss exercise 5.1 lines and angles. Question number 9. Is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Yes, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent because they have the common vertex O, common arm OC, and the non-common arms OA and OE are on the either side of the common arm OC. Therefore, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent. Next question, do angles COE and EOD form a linear pair? Angles COE and EOD form a linear pair because they are adjacent angles having common vertex O, common arm OC, and the non-common arms OC and OE are opposite rays. That is, angle COE and angle EOD form a linear pair because they are adjacent angles and angle COE plus angle EOD is equal to 180 degree. Next question, are BOD and DOA are supplementary? Yes, the angles BOD and DOA are supplementary angles because angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, and we know that the sum of the measures of two supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Since angle BOD plus angle DOA is equal to 180 degree, they are supplementary angles. Question 5. Is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? Yes, angle 1 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles and they are equal. They are equal because they are opposite angles, and we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. What is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5? The vertically opposite angle of 5 is angle BOC. Vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angle of angle 5 is angle BOC. Vertically opposite angle of angle 5 is angle BOC. Next, question number 12. See the question number 12. First, we will draw the picture. First, we will draw the picture. We all know that vertically opposite angles are equal, and here x is the vertically opposite angle of 55 degree. Here we find the values of x, y and z. We find the values of x, y and z. Since x is the vertically opposite angle of 55, so x is equal to 55 degree. Again, we see that angle x and angle y are supplementary angles, and so their sum is 180 degree. That is angle x plus angle y is equal to 180. Therefore, angle y is equal to 180 minus 55 degree. Also, angle y and angle z are vertically opposite angles, so they are equal. So they are equal. Therefore, angle z is equal to angle y is equal to 125 degree. Next. Question number 8. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Is complementary angle greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? Suppose the angle greater than 45 degree is 60 degree. We know that the sum of the measures of two complementary angles is 90 degree. Therefore, its complement angle is equal to 90 degree minus 60 degree, that is equal to 30 degree, and which is less than 45 degree. Which is less than 45 degree. Therefore, an angle greater than 45 degree is 60 degree and its complementary angle is less than 45 degree. We all see that. Next question. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Question number 3. We all know that the sum of the measures of two complementary angles is 90 degree and the sum of the measures of two supplementary angles is 180 degree. Therefore, we check the sum. Here 45 degree plus 45 degree is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the angles are complementary angles because their sum is 90 degree. Question number 2. Here angle 63 degree plus 27 degree is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, The angles are complementary angles. In the next class, we will discuss the remaining portion. Thank you, students.